I'm Greg, and this is Bodz. Easy, everyday fitness for the 50 and over crowd. People like you and me. And if we're lucky, we might even get the younger crowd to be more active too. I'm a beanbag dad, I'm a beanbag dad, I'm a beanbag dad, yeah, I'm so glad. I'm a beanbag dad, I'm a beanbag dad, I'm a beanbag dad, but I'm not from Iraq. I'm a beanbag dad, I'm a beanbag dad, I'm a beanbag dad, my kids think I'm so rad. I'm a beanbag dad, I'm a beanbag dad, I'm a beanbag dad. I don't mean to be abrupt, but it's time to get up and move your butt. I'm a beanbag dad, I'm a beanbag dad, I'm a beanbag dad, I'm a beanbag dad. Watch your finger. Alright, let's get warmed up. I suggest doing some body weight exercises like squatting. This warms up your whole body from your toes to your nose. Gets you ready to move, gets you ready to be active. And before we start doing our dynamic stretching, before we start getting our body ready to do any activity throughout the day, we want to have our body warmed up and have our muscles ready to get going and get ready for whatever it is we're going to be doing, whether we're reading, whether we're watching TV, whether we're cooking, doing laundry and chores, whether we're getting ready to go for a walk, or whether we're going to be visiting with family and friends, or just isolating during the quarantine. We want our body to be ready and active for anything and be prepared for a great day. I usually like to begin the exercises that I'm about to show you, these dynamic stretches, these mobility stretches. I usually do them at the beginning of the day. However, sometimes I do them in the middle of the day. Sometimes I do them when I need a boost of energy just to break up the day. So let's get going right now with these exercises. Follow me down. I'm going to get on the ground and I'm going to carefully lay down. And I'm going to start by raising my legs, kind of slowly getting my body activated, getting my joints in my hip and in my core area, my abdominal, ready to fire, ready to be active, ready to go, ready to engage in whatever my next activity. So now I'm engaging my core and I'm moving my feet and I'm not letting them touch the ground. In fact, I'm not going to let my feet touch the ground for many of these exercises. I'm going to do this for a moment. Then I'm going to bring my knees up. I'm going to put them together. I'm going to bring my arms out. And I'm going to rotate my legs to the side, then back to the other side. Left and right, and left and right, or right and left, however you're going to do it. I'm going to go through about 10 reps of this. And get myself moving, opening up my hips and my back. Sometimes your back will crack when you're doing this. It can be really good just to open you up and relax you and to get yourself more in line and in a natural position. Then I'm going to bring my hands over and start warming up my arms and my shoulders. And I'm going to go up and down and around, doing a 180 with my arms and my shoulders. I'm going to do about 5 or 6 on each side. This whole routine only takes a few minutes to accomplish, a few minutes to get through the whole set. But it's 3-5 minutes worth of exercises that can really benefit you for the rest of the day. Then I'm going to do the other side and come back. I like to actually keep my head the opposite side of which way I'm turning. So I keep going and I keep moving, getting my shoulders warmed up. And I keep going. And then I'm ready. Now, I'm going to open up my hips even more, and I'm going to cross my legs, taking my right leg and crossing it over an L shape over my knee, and I'm going to bring it down to the ground, opening my hips even more. Having open hips is very important. having open hips helps your whole body to move more smoothly, helps your joints in your hips and in your body just to be ready to fire, be ready to be active for whatever you're planning to do. It's very important, and we're going to do it for both sides about 5 times each direction. We're going to keep going. We're not going to stop. Keep moving. And I'm basically just touching my foot to the ground. You want to get your foot as flat as you can on the ground and having your shoulders also stay on the ground. Then I'm going to pull down with my foot on my knee and pull down. See, this foot is pulling down on my knee. I'm pulling down. And I'm stretching my hips out. I'm really feeling it in my hip area, in my groin area. I'm really feeling it stretch out. And I'm going to do the other side. I'm taking this foot, putting it on top of this knee, and bringing my knee down. And remember, these are all exercises I do that you may find helpful to you. You may want to consult your physician before you try any of these things. This is an entertainment for you. The suggestions that I use that help my body be active, stronger, and ready for any activity all day long. I really like these for energy and to get going in the morning, to keep my muscles strong and ready for anything, for all activities. Now I'm going to come down here. I'm keeping my arms out, but you can feel free to bring your arms in if you want. And I'm going to get both legs up, and I'm going to start doing a V action with my legs like so. This is opening up my hips more, getting my legs more engaged, getting my abs, getting my core warmed up and ready. I'm feeling strong, I'm feeling tight in my abs, getting a lot of compression and activation going on there. Now I'm going to bring my legs back and forth in a kind of a scissors over the top. And this helps, again, with the core. My hips are really feeling it. My abs are really feeling it. I'm keeping my legs up. And sometimes I go faster or slower, depending on how I want to get things going. And then I start doing this with my legs, bringing my knee up and through. And this is another way to engage and help the legs and the hips and the back, your core, all be engaged and ready for anything that you have, that you want to do, any and all the activities that you could possibly want. You might get a little sweat going and you're feeling everything starting to fire and get really ready for what you're going after. And if you like what you're seeing, give us a thumbs up and a like and subscribe at the bottom, and don't forget to share this with your friends so they can be more active. Another activity I like to do is to make little circles with my feet. You make little circles round and round, round and round, and then you can make big ones like this. And you can do these activities, you can take little breaks in between each activity. You can do it for as long as you want, and you can build up the stamina and the strength in your core, in your abs, in your legs, in your hips to do it for longer and longer. It really helps with everything that you want to do and helps you to be ready and energetic and active for the rest of the day. And it helps to break up what you're doing in the middle of the day. It can really give you a boost of energy. It can help burn fat and help you to be ready for just about anything you can think of actively moving around during the day. You'll increase your mobility and you'll be ready just to get up and go. You want to be always thinking about how your body is going to be able to move. And mobility is so important as we get older and we get ready for new phases of our life. We want to be strong and mobile. Those are the things we really want to think about, or should always be in the back of our mind about how we want to be physically. Now, again, if you like what you're seeing, give us a thumbs up. Give us a like at the bottom of this video and subscribe and share it with your friends. And we'll see you soon with more tips on how to be active and how to be more mobile, how to have a stronger, ready, physical, and positive life. Stay safe and healthy, and be conscious of what your body needs. Exercise and be active, because it activates your immune system. It helps you be more healthy. It clears your mind. It activates chemicals in your brain that will help you have a great outlook on life. And that's all today for this exercise segment. And I hope to see you soon. I'm Greg, and I'm Greg, and my daughter has been helping me today to make this video. I'm really thankful to her and the rest of my family. I'm sure we're all thankful for the things that we have and for being alive right now. And so I hope to see you again soon. Thanks a lot. Bye-bye.